Hi everyone, Joe from Life in Tents. We get a lot of questions about people wanting to possibly add to the comfort level in their tent with an air conditioned unit. So we just wanted to real quick show you how easy it is. Right now we're in our 5-meter Zephyr tent. This tent also comes in a 6-meter. Our Zephyr line as well as the 6-meter Timberline come with an exhaust port for this exact type of setup in them. So I wanted to show you how simple this actually is to connect. This is a 6-inch exhaust hose for a portable air conditioning unit. We have a 5-inch pre-cut hole with fireproofing pre-cut into the 5 and 6M Zephyrs as well as the Timberline tent. And as you can see, you can just kind of screw it in and work your way around. You might need a friend on the other side, but this can easily sit into one of the ribs of the exhaust hose, and you simply connect the other end to your air conditioning unit and you're all set. Beautiful thing about our Zephyr and Timberline tents is that they do have these zippers next to that port. So you can bring your electricity through that zipper, your water hose if your AC unit needs to have that as well. Everything goes outside the zipper, and then you can zip it up nice and tight to secure everything, and now you're all set. All right, now we stepped outside our tent. We just installed our exhaust pipe for the portable AC unit. Put this end cap on to kind of finish the job here. As I mentioned, inside we have this nice zipper very close to that port, so you can bring your extension cord to a power source, and you can obviously have that water runoff away from your tent as far as possible, obviously. This is exposed to critters out while you're camping. So you can add a simple cap like this. You can find these pretty much anywhere. Just make sure the size is right to fit into your actual pipe, and you have a nice, clean, protected vent. Now, I also mentioned this is our Zephyr line that comes in a 5 and a 6-meter that has this pre-cut 5-inch hole, as well as our 6-meter Timberline. All of the other tents will not have this pre-cut hole, but whether you have a pre-cut hole or not, if you need to customize that hole, whether your pipe is too small and you don't want air, again, critters getting through, or maybe you're putting your AC unit on a tent that does not have a pre-cut hole, you can always get a flashing kit like this. We do sell these on lifeintents.com, and you can attach, there is a separate video you can watch on how to easily install a flashing kit to any canvas area on your tent that makes sense for you, or in this pre-cut area, so that your pipe is nice and secure. Another great option to keep your tent as cool as possible, especially in those summer days in hot areas, is to add fly. I always recommend it as a great investment to protect your tent as well as keep it as cool as possible in those summer months. I did want to mention this is a 5-meter tent, so 16 and a half diameter. I would say anywhere between a 5,000 and 8,000 BTU unit would be fine for whether it be a 4, 5, or 6-meter tent. You should be fine, especially in those areas that are extra humid, where you're dealing with the outside humidity, internal condensation. An air conditioning unit is going to be a great addition to your glamping tent.